Kate here with WTI. Now this isn't your average recessed lighting. So this has something very special. These are 4-inch recessed lights from INCARLED. And what makes these so cool is that they have a regular mode and then they have a night light mode. So all you have to do is flip the switch on and off twice to activate this night light. It gives such a beautiful glow, coolest thing ever. Now, if you want to use it just as a regular light, you just flip it on once. So this one comes in a pack of 12, so easy to install. It comes with a junction box. It's honestly just a matter of having your hole already pre-made. These are 4-inch holes. You put it in, you attach your wiring, and you tuck it away. It's got this great spring action, so it stays nice and snug to your ceiling, and it gives a beautiful, seamless look. We have these in several areas of our house. I'm very happy with them. You can choose your color temperature, so you can go from a very bright light all the way to a very warm light. We choose the one right in the middle, the 3500K. That's the one that we prefer. But whatever environment you want it to match, you can absolutely customize it. So if you're looking for a very beautiful, simple, sleek look, I think you'll love these recessed lights. They're super easy to install and they just make your whole home look nice and polished. And that's my point of view.